After the rain, nature in Bangladesh appears in a renewed beauty. Sunlight dances on the raindrops scattered across the green fields. Birds sing, and the earthy scent of wet soil floats in the air. This peaceful scene touches the heart in silence. Waterfalls stream down the hills, singing a song all day long. Their cool flow brings a soothing touch to the soul. The green paddy fields sway in the wind, weaving golden dreams. In the farmer's sweat-soaked land, the hope of life begins to bloom. Floating on the water hyacinths are nature's own adornment. Dancing with the waves, they paint a touch of green. This story of nature ends here, but its beauty lingers in our hearts. We'll meet again with new light and new scenes of nature. Subscribe and stay with us to keep exploring the beauty of the world around us.